Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Drupal on Liquid Web, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Liquid Web account. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Servers section. Select the server on which you want to install Drupal. Click on Launch to proceed with server management. Locate the terminal or SSH option. Open the terminal to connect to your server. Use SSH to log in. Enter the command SSH _username at _server_IP. Replace _username and _server_IP with your actual login details. Once logged in, navigate to your webroot directory. Use the command cd/var/www/html. Before installing Drupal, ensure your server meets the requirements. Check if PHP, MySQL, and a compatible web server are installed. You can check PHP version with the command phpv. Next, update your package manager. Use the command sudo apt update. After that, install necessary extensions for Drupal. Run the command sudo apt install php curl phpgd php mipstring php xml php zip. Download the latest version of Drupal. Use get with the command get https://www.drupal.org/download-latest/tar.gz. After the download is complete, extract the file. Use the command tar_xzvf-tar.gz. This will create a Drupal ** folder. Move the extracted Drupal files into your webroot. Use the command mv drupal */ set appropriate permissions for the Drupal files. Run sudo chowner www.data a www.data/var/www/html. Make sure the permissions are correct. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.